Okay, in this video we are showing how to format HDD in Konica Minolta digital photocopier 458, 558, 258 and all higher models. Simply go to source node first. Okay, this is the source node of Bizhub series. So then press here state confirmation. You can check here state confirmation. Okay, press state confirmation. After that you can go memory oblique storage adjustment. So you can check here and some options. So press down arrow, then click format. After click format, check the two options, physical format and logical. Press logical and then press start. This time I don't want to format this hard drive. Okay, if you want, then click logical format, then start is the quick format, the normal format, then press physical format. Okay, so this time I press and go to back, and this is the process of format HDD in Konica Minolta. Thank you for watching.